So hello everyone, my name is AJ Luis Santiago. I'm from 1.1 BS Hospitality Management. As future hospitality professionals, how we communicate or break the guest experience. Verbal communication isn't just about talking, it's about strategic talking, choosing the right tone, words, and especially the timing. Strategic communication helps us listen actively, resolve conflicts smoothly, and build trust with the guests and colleagues. It strengthens our teamwork, enhances quality service, and creates a memorable experience. By practicing these special skills, we're not growing professionally. We become a good listener, a stronger leader, and clearer thinkers. In the hospitality industry, that is what sets great professionals apart. So that's all. Thank you.